Hey folks, Mr. Heiser here, showing you how to make two quick and easy parts here to the train. We'll start out with part 3, which is the hitch magnet. So I'm going to go ahead and start my 2D sketch. Alright, and this is actually pretty simple. It's just two circles, the inner circle with a diameter of 0.25 and the outer circle with a diameter of 0.45. So here's my circle 1 and my circle 2. I'm going to finish the sketch and extrude this a distance of 0.25. I'm going to click on that ring, and that's that. And again, this is called the hitch magnet. I already have one created, but I'll replace it anyway. And that's that. And then now I'll start a new part file in a 2D sketch. And this is going to be the hitch peg. So I'm going to start out by drawing this half profile here, just like you see. I'm going to draw a line that is half of a quarter of an inch, so that'd be 1/8 of an inch. I'm going to draw that line straight up a distance of 0.5. Okay. And going back, the total height is 0.65. So I can draw a line that goes up from here a distance of 0.65. And then this line that goes out. Alright, well, the diameter is 0.4. So I want the distance from this line to the outer point here to be 0.2. So I'm just going to draw a line here. And I'm going to dimension it from the outside to this middle point, 0.2. And now what I have left is the arc. So I'm going to draw an arc that is a 3-point arc. I'm going to click on the very top, this outside line again, and I'm going to make this a distance of, let's see, what does it say? 0.208. So again, I'm going to draw this here, 0.208, and hit enter. I'm going to finish the sketch. I'm going to revolve from this axis and hit OK. And this is again called the train hitch peg. So file, save as, train hitch peg. And that's all there is to it. And that's how you make the hitch magnet in the hitch peg.